Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a vintage key. Okay, we'll go ahead and open the program. Go up to File, say New Design, and then we're going to be doing this in inches. So I'm going to click here to go Plan View. I'll minimize. I have a key that I will bring in as a reference. Go ahead and close that. Full size on this. This is about the size I want the key to be, about 4 inches. We'll go ahead and pan this over to the middle, Control plus, and then we'll pan down. We'll start our drawing. So we'll go ahead and get the circle tool. We'll go 0.7. That'll be our first circle. 0.5 will be the second, the inner circle. I'm going to go ahead and create this one. 0.7, 0.5, and then we'll go ahead and create that third one. Let's undo that. I want to go a little bit closer, so I'm going to turn off the snaps. And go to that line right there. So 0.7. Then we're going to go 0.5. And then I'll do the same over here. This is, I believe, is right there. Oh, 0.7, 0.5. Okay. Excuse me. So that's going to be our, this will be our 4 circles here. So we're going to go ahead and pan down. I'm going to put a line. Let's go Control minus, put this line all the way down to there. Go ahead and end that. Let's pan up. Control minus. Go ahead and put that. We're going to revolve this, so we'll just move it over a little bit. 0.115. Click there, and we'll go up to the top. And we'll come over. Okay, so we're going to extrude these. We're going to revolve this, extrude this here. We'll go ahead and get a rectangle tool. We're going to drag out. So it's going to be 0.571 wide by 0.836 tall. So we'll click. Let's go Control plus. We'll get the other square tool. We're going to go define from center. So we'll click and drag. Cut that piece out. It's going to be 0.269 inches wide by 0.269 inches tall. Be just a perfect square. Get our trim away. We're going to trim away these pieces here. Now we're going to go ahead and get our line tool. We're going to go from the center there to the center there. Now we're going to offset. We're going to offset this 0.331. And we'll do this one 0.331. Okay, now we'll get the line tool. I'm going to go from there to there. And we're going to go from there to there. Okay, now we'll get our trim away. Let's get rid of those pieces there. Don't need them. Okay, we'll go get our round tool. We're going to round these corners. 0.044. We'll do that on all these. And the same there. Click once, click twice. Click once, click twice. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and put a round in here. So we'll go ahead and get our create rounded corner. Click once. We'll go to, I can't see the dimension there, but it's to the first click. 0.115. Okay. Control minus. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of our graphic, so we'll click on it, hit delete. I'm going to pan down. Let's go pull. Go ahead and pull that around. Get our revolve. Select there. Full pull. Okay. Now we're going to go spin this. We're going to pull this. Select over here from both sides. Click and drag out. 0.12. Let's go 0.1. Doesn't need to be that thick. Okay, let's spin to make sure we didn't make it too thick. Well, I suppose that looks okay. So plus, let's pan up. Okay, we're going to go grab the pull tool. We're going to click till everything is selected, and then we're going to do a fillet of 0.010. Okay, now we're going to spin to the back side. Do the same thing over here. 0.010. Now we're going to go to top view. Now we're going to have to zoom in. Let's pan down. Let's get rid of these. Actually, let me trim away. Oops, I don't know if I can do trim away now. Let's go to there. Okay, let's get trim away. Let's start cutting these in here. So do like that. All right, that looks good. I don't think we're going to use these though. We're just going to pull that like that. So let's keep that like that. We're not going to have the insides on these. So it's going to end there, and there, and there. Okay. Let's go ahead and spin this. Go to pull. Let's select all of these. Hold down the control key. We're going to select pull from both sides. Excuse me. 0.260. Okay, that's not too bad. Excuse me. Get the all these metal pieces. Don't need those. Let's spin. We're gonna add a fillet to here. Fillet's gonna be, let's go 0.030. We'll do that on all of these. Go ahead and get these 0.030. Get these right here. .030, get the middle one. Okay, get that inside one. Grab that inside one. Let's spin and see what we got. Okay, that's not too bad. Let's pull. All right, let's excuse me, spin all the way around. Let's grab the pull tool. Let's try to get all of these at once. Hold down the control key. Oh, 0.030. And then let's get all the inside ones at once. Hold down the control key. Okay, let's get these. Just the line. Hold down control. Okay. I think we got everything. I got a quick spin to make sure we did. All right, let's go to view. Go to our top view. All right. What else did I want to put in there? Let's go Control Plus. Wanted to put some. I don't know if I can do it now. Well, let's try. Go ahead and. Let's drag out to there. Okay, let's put a little square in there. Let's make sure this is in the center. Okay, it's not in the center. Let's undo. Let's go there. I think I'm just going to leave it like it is now. We'll go ahead and go to the view from top. Do the isometric view. Okay, that's going to be our vintage key. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of the video. Okay, thanks for watching.